Okay, guys, so today we are making Tanghulu. I think that's the way you say it. But I seen this and I was like, you know what? I gotta try it. It's very easy. Okay, so we're gonna, okay, let's get the pot. Get the pot. And the only thing you need is 3 ingredients. It's water and sugar and grapes. And then you need your little sticks to throw on it. And then let's just get this together. Okay. We need 2 cups of sugar. It's a lot of sugar. 2 cups of sugar. Boom. A cup of water. Boom. Then it said just let it sit there. So let's just do that. I'm gonna get you to. I'm just waiting. So we got, let's see. And we gotta make sure it stays. You got everything. You got all pajamas. Okay. Okay, guys. So when y'all doing your water and your sugar, make sure it gets really sticky. It's gonna take a couple of minutes, but make sure it gets really sticky. I think I burned mine a little bit. I think, but let's do a test shot. Let's do a test. Ooh, it's hot. We're gonna see. I think I burned mine a little bit, but it's all right. All right, let's see. All right, let's go. Wait a second. It's good. All right, guys. Mine's came out a little dark because I didn't know how to really do this, but I think I got it. You got big. You burnt it. I burned the sugar a little bit. It's all right. It still tastes good though, I think. Let's see. You already tried it. Okay, here we go.
All right, dip it. Put it. Put it. Mine, you burning the sugar.
Oh shit. Ooh. Burning the strawberries. We're gonna have to do this over because I want it to be perfect. Okay, here we go.